In today's exciting episode, we finish the floor and the roof trusses arrive and the scaffold goes up and it's all happening. Okay, so the next step in this framing involves this. So we're currently using a string line as a guide and our clamp as a tool to manipulate this end. It's pretty damn straight, but we just want to tweak it and get it perfect. Pato here has set the block down, so when the strap's in and the nail's on the strap, our floor can still go over it. I've already routed that bit, I'm just going to router this bit now, and then we're going to go down there as well. Time for action. That might be a bit tight. Oh no, it's mint. Look at that. Oh my god. So I'm doing this for you guys and I'm doing this for the council. They want to see all this stuff. Well, what's better than a photo? A video. So you got to do 6 nails on each surface. 6 nails on here and then 6 nails on the nog.
Seamless, bro.
Looks mint, eh? Then you get 6 nails in there, 6 nails in there, boom! And then you do it 50 bloody more times. So that times 15.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we have done the extensive supporting of the subfloor frame. Look at all of that. Strap. All the nails through there. And the best part about it, thanks to our routering, Pato's trying to prove to everybody that he knows what he's doing, but we all know he doesn't. There we go. So basically we're just checking that we've done all the fixings and nogs and everything required before we put the plywood down. All of this stuff is mainly because A, it's a load bearing wall, and B, because it's a boundary wall. And like I said in the earlier videos, when it's a boundary wall, it needs to be a firewall. And it's basically got to be able to be standing as it burns. So you have extra support everywhere to make that a possibility. So now we're finally putting the plywood down. And the scaffolders just arrived. They're measuring up now to put the scaffold around. It's all working out.
Yeah.
Here is the floor. The floor is looking good. We're screwing it off. Here's Pato Bell. Good job. Good job. How about we cut straight to tomorrow? Oh, whoa. Scaffolders are very busy. Putting the scaffold up, doing a great job. We've started cutting in to the wall there. That's where the frame's going to meet the existing frame. And we've done the same on the other side. Way over there. And we're going to start marking out this floor for the bottom plates of our frame. Really, Pato?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in tomorrow where we put the walls up and the trusses, and hopefully the weather is on our side because it's been amazing so far.